What's up, all you out there in YouTube space? Welcome back. Today we're going to be opening up a display of maximum gold El Dorado. But before I get into that, I got a story to tell you guys. So I'm going to show you guys the box this thing came in. See that right there? That's supposed to be a corner. All right, now we're going to pan to the other side of the box here. When I first opened this thing up, it was clear that it had been in some kind of 2,000 mile an hour F1 racing car collision. So luckily enough though, it was like padded. Okay, so here's the box, right? Now the box was very hot when I got it, so maybe the heat affected the plastic, but plastic is like invincible, so I'm not sure that's it. Oh no, yeah, these are, look at that. You can just, I see. Alright guys, I'm back. A little bit more zoom in, shall we? Perfect. Alright. Let's see. Oh! Black Rose Dragon. Let's see if they look strange. Oh, we got a Danger Bigfoot. Gold. Nice. Alright guys, next pack. Let's see. I think the only thing I can redeem is a golden access code talker. See if we can get that. Oh, we got an Eldritch the Gold Lord. That is not bad at all. And we got a number C1000. Extra shiny. Next pack. Trishula. Nice. And a number C1000 again. Alright. This one's better centering. That's the bottom. Let's see here. We got. Oh, he just kind of popped out there. He's ready to be seen. Fossil Dino. Nice. Alright. Moving on. And we got a Tempest. Dragon Ruler of Storms. We got an X-Code talker. We got a Conquistador. Although it's really hard to see the lettering because they're gold. Oh, we got another Gold Book of Moon. Shout out. Next pack. Oh, we got another IP Masquerade. You know that IP Masquerade does just cheer me up. I'm not gonna lie. Got ourselves another gold IP Masquerade. That's good. I don't know. Like I said, this whole pack has been just like jank, man, for real. We got a soul eating Overraptor. Nice. Okay. All right, upside down. Fire Formation Tengu. Okay, this Tengu looks pretty good. Oh, and a Raigeki. And the Raigeki card just really has a whole slash through the middle of it. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me angle it. Look, it's got a whole, like somebody put a knife through it. Jeez. Unicorn. Danger Bigfoot. Gold. He's in pretty good condition. Like, you know, buyer interaction on a TCG player, to be honest with you. Cause like the cards came quick. Like they UPS was the one. I was like, wow, they use UPS to get the cards. I was like, that's crazy. I ain't never seen, you know, them do that. And this is what we got, guys. Subpar delivery. I was never trying to make up for the fact that what they sent was not great. All right, nice. Got another C1000. My worst interaction on TCG player. Yeah, man, I gotta just start buying from like people that I bought, cause like I ain't gonna lie, guys. Like I will just, you know, I don't have any really like, I guess seller bias. I will buy from you, you know, but sometimes you run into lemons. A Black Rose. Oh, this was in good condition. Nice. Oh, we also have an Invoked. And this Invoked is in pretty darn good condition. Okay, I'm with it. Don't know how much I can. I mean, these were really resealed and they were just like garbage packs. And yeah, I guess I could blame the seller, but yeah, not a great experience. That's for sure. Oh, this one's just... Look at that edge right there. Yuck. Numeron Storm. Nice. Oh, what is this? Familiar Possessed. Lina. Okay. Lina is in pretty good condition. Pretty good condition. Oh, we got the weather. Got the weather painter. We have the weather painter here. Nice. That's actually a very pretty card. Oh man, there it is. Is it in? It's in there. It could be in better condition, but that's a pot though. That's a pot of extravagance. That's nice. I'm gonna keep it. Is there a near mint access code talker in here? We're gonna find out. We are about to find out as soon as I line all the cards up. Side frame. Side frame. Oh, Rocket Tracer. Rocket Tracer is in really good condition. Nice. Oh, we got a Magical Dimension. Good condition on that one. More packs. More packs to open. More packs. My name's Mo. Mo packs. All right. Alright. And we got another Black Rose Dragon. This is my third Black Rose Dragon that I pulled. I don't know if it's worth anything though. And we got another Magical Dimension. It's got a whole LLC. 3 employees. He's an upstart businessman goblin. And they're upside down. Nice. Camera may be able to pick up your name. Evils are like here. And okay, hold on. Doesn't want to come. Okay, it's just another magical dimension, but it fought me. Frame Gamma. Oh, and we got another pot of avarice. Avarice? What? Pot of extravagance. Nice. This is my second pot of extravagance. The cards are like, hey, don't don't be bummed out about it. Get happy. Get happy. Sometimes in life, guys, you're gonna win, you're gonna lose. You gotta know how to deal with both. Gold Sark Gold. That's a dub right there. That's a gold sarcophagus. Hold on, let me. This card is iconic. Love it. Familiar Possess. Okay, cool. Hit that like button to send me some positive energy, because your boy need it. Starlight Road. Very good condition. Nice. Oh, I got another Chamber Maiden. Chamber Dragon Maiden. That's a Chamber Maiden. And she's in pretty good condition. Lost World. Oh, right out the gate. Fossil Dino. Tempest. Dragon Ruler of Storms. Last pack. What can we pull on the last pack? Oh. Prime Mathemech Alibertian. Nice. Oh. Prank Kids. Alright, guys. Here's our main haul here. All the gold rares we got. We got some good stuff in here. You know, we got another IP Masquerade if I can find her. But look at that Raigeki. That gold Raigeki, you know, not bad. Although some of them are kind of scuffed up a little bit. Yeah, guys. All right, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And we still haven't found our access code talker, so I'm still on the hunt for that. There'll be more. A hunt for the access code talker.